Please subscribe our channel.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make paper carpet, this is one of my school's activity, and I'm going to show you how to make it today. For this you will need two different color chart papers, and you have to cut it. You have to mark 2 centimeters each, and then you'll have to cut it. Now we are here ready with 2 different color strips. We'll take one color strip and put it horizontally, and we'll take the other color stripes and put it vertically and alternately, one at the top, the other one at the bottom. Now we'll take another strip. Now even this strip we have to do alternate. So if the first green strip is below the first black strip, the second green strip will go above the first black. We need to do same with the other also. Now the second green strip is above the black first one, so the third one will go below. With 8 black strips and 8 green strips, we have got this pattern of grid. Now we'll stick the upper strips with the bottom strips in the end part. You need to stick all the 4 sides. And make sure there will be no gap in between all the strips. Now we need to turn and stick the upper sides. Sticking the ends of all the strips on both the sides. Now we need to cut the extras on all the sides. If anything is not stick properly, you can stick it again. Paper mat is ready. You can make it with different colors also, and you can use it to decorate it on your study table or in the room, on the walls. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.